Welcome to Interjections for Expression, a video focused on mastering the emotional bridge in professional daily communication for global adults. We begin with Chapter 1, The Soul of Human Connection. Here we'll establish what interjections are and why they are vital to professional communication. Interjections are words or phrases used to express strong feeling or sudden emotion and are grammatically independent. They provide emotional context to your speech. For the adult learner, communication is about empathy, authority, and tone. Interjections are the tools that make your English sound natural, human, and professional in high-stakes environments. Chapter 2, The 2020 Transition, examines how communication has evolved, particularly in remote and hybrid work settings. Since 2020, interjections have become essential social lubricants in remote platforms. The graph shows a significant rise in professional chat expression usage, reaching 85% by 2024. In hybrid work, interjections fill the physical gap left by reduced body language. Words like wow or on a screen provide necessary reaction signals, humanizing the digital workspace. Interjections offer textual clarity, such as expressing surprise with "oh." Emojis provide visual support, complementing interjections to create a global language that bridges linguistic backgrounds. Chapter 3 focuses on the emotional palette, exploring different interjections for various feelings. To express joy, praise, and surprise, we use interjections like wow for sudden surprise, yay for joyful success, and bravo for praise and approval. For thought and hesitation, signals deep consideration. Are fillers that buy you time to organize your next thought without losing the floor. The global ouch factor is a universal emotional bridge. Approximately 90% of cultures recognize a quick sound like ow or ouch as a signal of pain or discomfort. Interjections for office relief include phew for meeting a deadline or solving a problem, oops for acknowledging minor mistakes, aha for discovery, and great to affirm a colleague's idea. We need to distinguish between formal and informal nuances. While yeah is a standard expression of agreement, professional alternatives include indeed or absolutely. Chapter 4 will focus on grammar mechanics and usage, ensuring you use these expressions correctly in a professional context. The punctuation choice depends on intensity. Use the exclamation point for high-intensity emotions, such as, wow, that is amazing news. Use a comma for mild interjections, as in, oh, I didn't see you there. Interjections can appear at the opening, like, hey, how are you? As a standalone thought, ouch, or in the middle of a sentence to signal hesitation. It is, well, a difficult choice. As one anonymous linguist put it, grammar is the logic of speech. Interjections are its heart. They add the necessary human element to our logical structures. We now move to Chapter 5, Daily Remembrance Tips for Adults. This chapter provides practical exercises to build muscle memory for interjection. Tip 1 is the emotional mirror. Practice an expression of the day for 60 seconds in front of a mirror, focusing on tone mastery. Notice how the meaning of O changes with your pitch and expression. Tip 2 is audio reflection. Record a 30-second summary of your day, purposefully including interjections like wow or phew. Listening back anchors the sound to the feeling. Tip 3 is the sticky note strategy. Place sticky notes with interjections in relevant spots at home. For example, use by the fridge for sensory enjoyment. Tip 4 is Netflix and note. First, identify interjections by watching 5 minutes of a show. Then, replicate them by saying them along with the actor to match their energy. The habit formation rule suggests it takes 21 days to form a habit. Practice one new interjection each week for 3 weeks to make them a permanent part of your natural speech. We conclude with Chapter 6, Global Context and Variations, examining how interjections function across different cultures and languages. Globally, expressions of approval are the most common interjections, accounting for 40%. Surprise follows at 30%, and hesitation at 20%. These expressions bridge cultural gaps effectively. While the emotion of pain is universal, the sound differs. Ouch or ow in English, I in Spanish, I in French, and itai in Japanese. Your learning path follows 4 key steps. Identify the sound, practice by mimicking the tone, embody by linking it to a feeling, and master for a natural flow in speech. Thank you for your attention and engagement in this video. Remember, language is the roadmap of a culture. If you have any further inquiries about professional communication, please contact us at canadasmartmind@gmail.com. We are dedicated to empowering global professionals. This final section contains the image sources used throughout this video, beginning with sources for expressing agreement and surprise. The image sources continue with acknowledgments for content related to pain expressions and global language variations in professional settings.